Hi, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing the online marketing strategy number 3. In our previous videos, we taught you on how to start a business without any capital, at the same time and how to sell your products without any physical store. For those who haven't watched yet, you may access the videos in the description below. So we all know that poster is very effective whenever you market your products online. So today, we'll be teaching you on how to create an eye-catching poster material. So something like this, very catchy, when you are opening a store, or maybe when you are having an annual sale. So it's very effective that you have a very good material to post online. In this video, we'll be introducing Canva and its 4 features and how to use it. So open your Play Store. This is for Android lang na. And then type the word Canva in the search button. There should be Canva, not Canvas. That's a typo error. And then click on Canva Graphic Design Video Collage. Since the application is already installed with my phone, so I have 2 options na lang, uninstall and install. But for those who haven't installed yet, you should be able to see the install button. This application is actually for free. However, there are limited features. If you want to have a full access to the feature of the application itself, you have to pay a monthly subscription fee. Now, if the application is already installed, it's available on the screen of your phone. Just click on the icon C, or that stands for Canva. And then for you to have an access to Canva, you need to sign up for Canva application. You may use your Gmail account. Now, once you are in, you can see a lot of categories that you can use from, let's say, Instagram posts, template, Facebook template, and then poster template. So let's try searching. Let's say, for example, you're making a birthday poster. There's a lot of design actually that you can choose from. It's up to you which design you would like to copy or use. So in my case, I chose this design. So first thing, the good thing about Canva is you can edit the text easily. You can also change the font size, style, design, color easily. Here, this is what I've mentioned earlier that you can choose from. Those with crown icon, those are available if you paid the application itself. But for the meantime, since you haven't paid it, you can use those for free. Other feature is you can attach a picture to it. Third feature is you can use a transparency feature para matabunan para merong picture na lalabas at yung text sa likod ng picture makikita pa rin. So, sample ito. Ito yung ginagamit ko usually whenever I post something. Let's say, for example, I'm posting for my AirPods campaign on Facebook. So, I'm using this design. So, if you've noticed, merong picture and at the same time, merong nakasulat na style na word sa likod niya. So, paano yan gagawin? Ganito lang yan. I-attach mo yung picture, tapos dapat ang transparency niya is 100%. Now, if gusto mong makita yung picture or yung word sa likod niya, you have to adjust lang the transparency. I-click mo lang yung 3-dot button sa taas. So, this is for Android, different yung para sa mga iPhones. So, i-adjust mo lang yung transparency to 50% maybe. So, yun, nakikita na, diba? So, ganyan na ang ginagawa ko. So, you may copy this style and then later, you may want to explore din. Marami talaga siyang features na pwede mo magamit sa campaigns. So I hope that this video will be more effective in selling your products online. So if you like, please go ahead, subscribe, and share this to your friends. Now, the fourth feature is you can easily move the text. i-hover mo lang yung mouse, tapos i-cross yung cross sign, you can drag that and move wherever you want to go. Right? So, I guess that's all for today. So you can start editing your pictures and your posters now. Happy selling, everyone. Thank you.